Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change the digital time on a G-Shock 5146 watch from showing AM PM to show military time, that is 24 hours. As you can see right now on the screen, my watch is showing 1 PM on the display. I will show you how to change it to 13 hours. First step is to press several times the mode button until you see the day of the week on the top screen, that is Sunday showing right now. Press and hold the adjust button for a few seconds until your current city starts flashing on the same top screen. Press the mode button 2 times and now use the forward button to change from 12 hours to 24 hours digital military time display. As you can see now it's changed to 13 hours. To exit the setting, press the adjust button 1 time. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.